Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video into the. Oh wait, I joined the wrong private server. Hold on. But yeah, what's up? What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and today we're playing JJS. If you're wondering why I sound like this, I literally once tried to do a voice acting video, but I failed miserably. So yeah, coming soon. But yeah, today this is my first. This is my holy sound effects. But yeah, this is my first like showcase video with my sound on. So yeah, let's get into it. And this is my first showcase video on JJS.
勘違いしてるみたいだから言っとくけど、そっちがチ
When
ャ
I
レン
did
ジ
the
ャーだか
showcase
ら。
video, it was for Sig Rocky and it was on Heroes Battlegrounds. Yeah, but this game is called Did You See Shenanigans if you want to check this game out. So yeah. First of all, let me reset. Don't ask why my avatar is like this.
勘違いしてるみたいだから言っとくけど、そっちがチャレンジャーだから。
I actually look like Gojo for once. Holy. But yeah. Comment down below who should I showcase next and what workshop character that I should like showcase, and yeah, I'm gonna be showcasing this. Alright. Alright, first move. Let's walk
術式判定。
Okay, that's really cool.
術式判
Hold.
定。
Dang. Oh wait, I haven't did the dash. Okay. Okay. Art. Hmm.
あお
That's cool. Alright. Air
あ
Vane.
おあおあお
Okay, that didn't hit. Move. And Hollow New.
術式順天。青。術式反転。赤。勝利の狭間。カラスと照明。挙式。紫。
Yeah, it kind of damaged you for a little bit. But, yeah, holy. That one shot? Let's get a little
勘
crazy.
違いしてるみたいだから言っとくけど、そっちがチャ
Yeah,
レン
this
ジ
is
ャーだか
still
ら。
work in place, so, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more, of this, like and subscribe, and let's get this video to, like, since I'm not that famous, let's get this video to, like, 30 or 15 or 10 likes, and I'll do another one, of these. So see ya, and I'm out. Peace.